Nope. How could you?
Please, I just got him frozen. I just got him frozen.
Bro, I got Come get me.
Oh my God. Help me.
How you dumb enough to jump into me? How you dumb enough to jump into me?
Come on, what if y'all get me?
Caramel,
I'm right
spicy
here.
chicken.
Oh, I think there's only 2 people.
There's only 2 people. 3 times.
No way, I just got him frozen. I was just one of the runners that just got him frozen.
Time to time.
That's not
to
fair.
time.
Hey,
I got
How
you.
could you?
Never mind. I don't
come
got
on,
you.
we're in the tree.
Choo-choo.
Why are they so good, bro?
Oh my God. No, choo-choo, bro. No, choo-choo train.
Come on, man.
I need to get a head start. I need to get a head
my
start.
third
I need to
time
get
in
a
a star, yo. Come get me, I'm on the star. 4 times in a row.
I got you. You can't be.
I swear to God, if it says I'm...
Catch me.
We got a guy over there, he'll help us.
Help me! Correct
Come
me.
help me.
Oh my God, bro. This fish is capping me.
Ah!
What? Oh, you're
Hey,
tapping.
come
I
help
can
me,
get this
chicken
guy.
hands.
I can get this guy.
On the
Try to
big
get
candy
me.
cane, come help me. Right here. On the big
Help
cane.
me.
Right here. Yes.
It's the last guy, so he has to get friends over there.
I'll give you a chicken wing. I'll give you a spicy chicken wing if you help me. Bro, how did I miss it? Bro, I was gonna say I'll give you a hot spicy chicken wing if
If
you
you
were
would
him.
have unfreezed me, I would have got him and then got up to target him.
No, you weren't, bro.
Alright, guys. If we can freeze,
I swear to God.
please,
Oh
thank
my
you.
God. I swear to God.
Come on. I just got unfrozen.
I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to
Bro,
God.
come on, bro.
Oh my
This is
God.
my 4th time last freezer.
Bro, now I'm tired, bro.
Bro,
If
I
you're
don't
tired,
want to play the
just
game
drink
no
water.
more.
I'm tired now, bro.
I don't
Just
want to play the
drink
game no
water.
more.
Drink water.
Nigga.
Drink a bottle of water.
Bro, come on, man.
Hummy.
I'm tired of you guys.
Hummy.
Guys, I'm at the
Bro,
bottom.
somebody
I'm at the bottom slide. Help!
Well, I'm
I'm at the
coming.
bottom slide.
Bro, wait. I'm on the inside of the slide.
I can cook angles. Come on.
Dude, get off me,
angles.
sorry, fish.
Get away
No, you're so slow. Give me a hand, bro. You got this.
I'm on the side of the slide.
Hummy. Give me.
What am I supposed to do, bro? I'm trapped in the corner.
Give me.
Give me.
Bro, I'm
Come on,
on
give
the inside of the slide.
me. Get me. I got this.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Help me.
Come help me.
Bro,
Help
what am I supposed to
me.
do? Oh my God. Help me. Please.
Come inside the
Guys,
slide.
I'm not the closest one to you right this moment.
Come inside the slide, bro.
Get him. Help
Come
me,
inside the
please.
slide.
Please.
Oh, man.
Why are y'all just standing, just going on one place? You're guys just going on one place. Yeah, I said you were camping me last round.
I wasn't even freezer last round.
Come on, man.
No, I wasn't.
Fine.
I tried to unfreeze you over there, bro. What are you talking
Your
about?
nose is gonna grow in a couple of weeks.
No.
I didn't do nothing, bro. I was over there. I tried to unfreeze you.
But you were freezer. You were capping me the whole entire time left.
I wasn't freezer, bro. I was not.
Your name is
I wasn't
Pinocchio.
freezer.
You're gonna
Come help
become
me.
Pinocchio.
That's the kid with the farmer hat.
You're becoming
Come help
Pinocchio.
me.
Your nose is gonna grow.
What's up,
Saber,
Orbit?
look at me.
What?
Wait, yeah. Me too. Hold on. I think
Give me.
Stay.
Oh,
No.
up here you dress up. You look like a sex
I'm
symbol.
here. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, guys. I got this. I'm going up the slides. And I'll freeze all of y'all.
Hey, why you sound
like you're moaning.
Are you tired?
No moaning, bro.
No, how do you talk with you? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, Mr. Snowman. Oh yeah, Mr. Snowman. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, Snowman.
Wait, no, don't get me, bro. Don't get me, bro.
Look at you.
Don't get me, man.
What's up?
Look at you. Look at you. No. Look at you. 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 Look at you.
You'll
I
stop
think my
camping. Stop camping. I'm camping! Chill! Damn, bud.
Oh, you wanna kiss me? You wanna kiss me? You wanna kiss me?
No, don't.
No.
Just no. No.
We
No.
what, yo?
No.
No.
Stop it.
They're coming.
Oh my god.
Yo, please. I knew it. I knew it.
Okay, I ran into you.
Yeah,
I know you did.
Go down in there.
Talk about this. No, leave me alone.
I don't know about that.
Please. Stop staring at me.
Maybe.
No.
I don't even know if this is party.
Lousy.
Hit it?
Wow.
Where's he there? Where's he there? Where's he there? Where's he there? Help me.
Help me! I'm by the Christmas tree. Please, please.
I wish you.
I swear I'm gonna get still over there.
Where is he?
I just
Yeah.
already got here. Yeah, I just joined, and I'm actually kind of good at the game. I'm actually good.
Hello.
I was like,
Hello.
No, freezers, you can't get me. I'm up this candy cane.
no, but I'm
You
good
can't pick
at
up
the
this
game.
2 crowns.
Okay.
Hey, am I the only freezer?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. You
Hello.
are
Yo,
good,
low key,
good.
I'm good at the game.
Yeah,
Let me
me
ask you. You're
Aye,
funny. Let me
aye,
ask you.
aye, aye.
What are you doing?
You trying to knock me off?
I
I got you, bro.
Come get me,
No wonder.
Give me right. Give me.
Let's go.
Hey.
Wait, I'm not feeling right. I'm not feeling freezer.
No. Ow. Nope. Humble.
Yo,
Yes.
my slide.
Why are you meditating?
Help me.
No need for that.
I need you
Help.
to shut up.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Shoot on candy cane. Please. Oh, thank you.
Hello.
He tagged me again.
I'm on my journey.
Help me again.
Help
He tagged me again.
Thank you very much.
Be quiet.
Help me.
Oh,
Hamburger.
what's this, guys? I'm about to get onto the top. Who's
So you
laughing
get
now?
the fire hat.
We have a race in this.
Come on, the candy cane. Ooh,
I can't move.
I'm about to get on. Watch this,
Let's go.
I'm about to get on the top light. Guys, look, I'm on the top light. Who's it?
Come on.
Guys, help! That's just a
why you
freezer.
Yo.
That's just a freezer.
I got you out of you.
That's the
You know you're the only one that can tag me.
Could you please stop camping and actually get better?
Sally.
No, bro.
I'm truly that. I'm truly
Give me.
that.
Oh my. No, bro. We hit him
I
dead.
was play. Never mind.
Give me. Sharky.
Dude,
But
stop
that didn't help.
camping.
Got you. Oh, bro. He's doing.
It makes the game unfair, but stop camping.
Yeah.
Get him.
Sharky's easy
Yeah,
tag.
guys,
Come here,
stop
man.
camping.
Oh no. Give me, bro.
That's the dust. That's the freezer. Hey, Macarena.
Oh my. Yeah, he's on fire.
Hey, Macarena.
Oh.
Macarena.
Hello.
Macarena. Help
What?
me. Please.
He's on Preds, bruh. I'm not on Preds, bro. Nigga, stop on. Nah, he's not. I swear I'm not on Preds.
Why is your name German? Are you German?
Don't
My name is FartSniffer67. My username is FartSniffer67. That's my username.
Better not be it.
Yippee.
Please.
I want to be it. I like being it
Please
more
don't
than
tag
running.
tag.
Hi, what's going on?
What's up, bro? What?
I like being it more than running. What the
Where's your
Sigma?
phone?
I
Somebody
do fun, man. What? Why can't I move?
What? I found a hotel Lucky Charms hat.
Oh yeah. Oh, how do we win, bro?
That's just crazy. That's just
crazy. I think.
You unfroze me. Thank you for that.
Oh yeah, chicken bone leg.
Wait,
bro.
actually, you know what? I'm not gonna get you since you unfroze me.
Actually, no. This is like totally. Dude,
I suck.
why is there 6 phrases?
Sorry,
Help me, please.
Send me a photo and
Yeah,
say, guess
German
which one's me.
Presents, please help me. The presents.
You know what?
Why are you
No,
all coming?
freezers don't jump.
Hi.
Yo, holy cow! You just sat
Jack.
there until I jumped off.
Right here. Toasty, get us.
Oh no.
No! Saucy! Saucy, untag us!
I got one too, buddy. I'm Yeti.
Yeah, how are you so good at
Oh
going
my
on the
God.
walls? That's crazy.
I risked my life and you still got tagged.
Where's my twin? Where's the other dude? Where's the other dude at? Oh, he's right there. Oh, dude.
Oh my God.
Bro, it's my life to save.
Alright, we're walking for this dude, right?
I got you.
No, but why are they all on tag?
6-7. That's my username. 6-7. Oh, I can't go anywhere without getting tagged. I just sit Oh my God!
I need you. We're gonna eat
I
you
got
for
that.
dinner. I'm gonna eat you for dinner, right?
Yeah, oh, he's on my tree.
Eat you for
You
dinner,
got
right?
tagged.
Say that, right?
Oh, bro, I got this dude.
Gotcha. I'm gonna eat you for dinner too, because you look tasty. For Thanksgiving dinner. It's a
No, but what am I doing?
It would be a Thanksgiving dinner.
Hey, you tagged. Where's he?
Yeah.
Oh no. He's gonna get him, bro.
Yes, you are.
I'm leaving. Jagger, bro. Guys, where's Freezer?
Oh, am I the only
Oh
one
my
that
goodness.
the
Oh my
freezer?
goodness.
Come here, bro. Wait, is he freezer? My head hurts.
Oh no.
Oh crap, that's the wrong area.
Huh?
Sound like West Coast police. What the Sigma? Why are you charging me? You suck!
No, you suck.
Okay. I'm gonna report
No, you can't.
you.
Stink. You stink.
Yeah, buddy. You can't get me a 1-0 movie. Yeah, pretty sure you're an idiot.
Oh, I got tagged.
Wait, does that mohawk
This
kid?
thing.
I'm stuck. Where's the mohawk kid? Where's the mohawk kid?
There's a kid with a mohawk.
Oh,
Where'd
Mohawk.
he go?
Mohawk
Where'd he go?
hair, I'm guessing.
He was freezer and then he just left.
But is that come dipping out of here?
I saw your ugly face.